Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I am solving example 12.1 from the book Fundamental of Heat and Mass Transfer by Incropera 7th edition. So, the statement of the problem is a small surface of area A1 is equal to 10 power minus 3 square meter. This is area A1, and the area of this red surface is A1 is equal to 10 power minus 3 square meter, is known to emit diffusely, mean that this is emit diffusely, mean that this emit radiation same in all direction. So intensity of radiation will be equal to in all direction. So this is important for emit diffusely, mean that emit radiation equal in all direction, and this is one of the property of black body. And from measurement, the total intensity is associated with emission in the normal direction is In. Intensity emitted in normal direction is 7000. Intensity of emitted radiation 7000 watt per meter square per steradian. Radiation emitted from the surface is intercepted by three other surfaces. A2 is equal to A3 is equal to A4 is equal to 10 power minus 3 square meter. This is A2, this is A3, and this is A4. So A2, area of surface A2 is equal to area of surface A3 is equal to area of surface A4 is equal to 10 power minus 3 square meter, which are 0.5 meter from A1. This is the distance 0.5 meter, 0.5 meter, and 0.5 mean distance. Let's suppose this is D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to 0.5 meter. Distance of all areas from A1 is same and are oriented as shown. These are the angles 60 degree and 45 degree. What is the intensity associated with each emission in each of the three dimensions? Let radiation intensity of radiation emitted from A1 to A2 is I1. Similarly, radiation intensity of radiation emitted from A1 to A3 is this is I2, and intensity of radiation emitted from A1 to A4 is I3. So required is number first to find I1, I2, and I3. Number 2, find the what are the solid angles subtended by three surfaces when viewed from A1. So solid angle subtended by A1 with A2 when viewed from A1 is a W2 to 1. Similarly, 3 and 1, W3 to 1, and W4 to 1. These are required. Solid angle subtended by A2, A3, and A4 with A1. Number 3, what is the rate at which radiation emitted from A1 is intercepted by three surfaces? So Q from 1 to 2, Q from 1 to 3. Rate of radiation emitted from A1 and intercepted to A2 or A3 or A4. So when intercepted to surface 2, this is Q12. When is intercepted to surface 3, then this is Q13, and this is Q14. So here we start. First we find intensity. We know that this is diffuse emitter, as we know that A1 is diffuse emitter. Diffuse emitter means that radiation emitted from A1 in all directions will be same. So intensity of these radiation will be independent of direction, independent of direction. It means that they will not depend on direction. So I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3 is equal to In are same, and In is given to us as 7000 watt per square meter per steradian. Now we solve part number 2. This is the solution of part number 1, that intensity in all direction is same. Now we find solid angle subtended between the surfaces A2, A3 and A4 with A1. So the formula for solid angle given to us is dW is equal to DAN divided by R square, and DAN is basically A cos theta divided by R square. Now first we define the angle theta. So theta is the angle between the lines joining the two areas. Theta is the angle between the lines joining the two areas and normal to the receiving surface. Normal to the receiving surface. Now I explain this from the figure. Let we find the angle between A1 and A2. So the line joining A1 and A2 is this line. This is the line joining A1 and A2, and normal to the A2. Normal A2 is this line. This is normal to A2. Means this angle. We will find this angle. This angle is theta. So let this is a triangle. This angle is 60 degree. This angle is 90. So it means that total sum of the angle is 180. It means that the theta A will be equal to 30 degree. Line joining the two areas A1 and A2 is this line, and normal to A2 is this line. So this is theta, and this angle is equal to 30 degree. So first we find the solid angle between area 2 and area 1. So W2 to 1 is equal to A2 cos theta divided by R square. A2 is given to us as 10 power minus 3 square meter. Cos theta is 30 degree divided by R. The value of R is 0.5 square meter, which is equal to 10 power minus 3 square meter. Cos 30 is equal to 0.866 divided by 0.25 square meter. Square meter will be cancelled with square meter, and solid angle subtended will be equal to 3.46 multiplied by 10 power minus 3 steradian. This is solid angle, and the unit of solid angle is steradian. Now angle subtended between surface A3 and A1 when viewed from surface A1 is A3 cos theta divided by R square. A3 is equal to 10 power minus 3 square meter. The value of r is same in all cases 0.5 meter whole square, and angle in this case is line joining between surface A1 and A3. This is the line joining surface in A1 and A3, and this is also normal to A3. This line is also normal to A3. It means that angle is 0 degree. Angle between line joining surface A2 and A3 and normal to A3 is 0 degree. So this is cos 0, which is equal to 10 power minus 3 square meter. Cos 0 is equal to 1, and this is 0.25 square meter. Square meter will be cancelled with square meter. So angle subtended is 1 divided by 0.25 is equal to 4 multiplied by 10 power minus 3 steradian. Now angle subtended between surface 4 and 1 when viewed from surface 1 is A4 cos theta divided by r square. A4 is same in all cases. A2 is equal to A3 is equal to A4 into cos divided by 0.5 meter whole square. Now let me check this angle between A1 and A4. So this is the line joining. This is the line joining between A1 and A4, and this is also normal to A4. Mean both are in same line. So angle is 0 degree. So this is cos 0. So 10 power minus 3 square meter. Cos 0 is equal to 1. This is 0.25 square meter. Square meter will be cancelled with square meter. So angle subtended, solid angle, 1 divided by 0.25 is 4 multiplied by 10 power 3 steradian, and steradian is the unit of solid angle. Now in number 3, find the radiation emitted by A1, radiation emitted by A1 and intercepted by other surfaces. Other surfaces are A2, A3 and A4. So for this, general formula is Q from 1 to J, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 is equal to I A1 cos theta 1 into W from J to 1. Now here we define theta 1. So theta 1 is the angle between normal to A1, normal to emitted surface, normal to emitted surface A1 and the direction of the radiation, in the direction of the radiation. So first we find from 1 to 2, radiation emitted from 1, and J is in this case is 2, and intercepted by A2. So I1, here radiation is RI1, area is A1 in all cases, and cos theta 1. Theta 1 in this case is angle between normal to A1, angle, this is A1, this is normal to A1, and this is the direction of radiation to A2. So angle between normal to A1 and this radiation is 60 degree. So cos 60 degree cos 60 degree I1 A1 cos 60 degree, and W from J to 1. So J in this case is 2, so W from 2 to 1. solid angle between 2 and 1. So Q from 1 to 2 is equal to I1 A1. So I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3. 7000 watt per square meter per steradian. A1 is 10 power minus 3 square meter. Cos 60 is 0.866. And W from 2 to 1 solid angle between surface 2 and surface 1 is 3.46 multiplied by 10 power minus 3 steradian. So steradian will be cancelled with steradian, square meter with square meter. Final answer, final unit will be watt. And now simplify this simple calculation. So Q1 to 2 is equal to 12.1 multiplied by 10 power minus 3 watt. Radiation emitted from surface A1 and intercepted on surface A2 is 12.1 multiplied by 10 power minus 3. Now Q from 1 to 3, radiation emitted from 1 and intercepted on 3 is I2 A1 cos theta 1. Now this is theta 1 is normal to surface A1 and radiation from A1 to A3. So both are on the same line, mean angle is 0 degree. In this case angle is, this is cos 0 into solid angle between surface 3 and 1 divided by this is the formula. So Q from 1 to 3, I1 is equal to I3, I2 is equal to I3. So this is 7000 watt per meter square per steradian. Cos 0 is equal to 1. I1 A1 cos theta 1 I1 this is area 10 power minus 3 square meter. Cos 0 is equal to 1 and solid angle between surface 3 and 1 is 4 multiplied by 10 power minus 3 steradian. So steradian will be cancelled, steradian, square meter with square meter. So Q from 1 to 3 is equal to 28 multiplied by 10 power minus 3 watt. Now Q1 to 4 is equal to, now here I3 A1 cos theta 1. So in this case theta 1 angle normal to the surface area A1. So normal to surface area A1 is this line and this is radiation from A1 to A4. So angle is 45 degree. In this case angle is 45 degree. Cos 45 and solid angle between A4 and 1. Now put values here. Q from 1 to 4 is equal to I3 is same in all cases, 7000 watt per square meter per steradian. Cos 45 is 0.707 and solid angle between surface A4 and A1 is 4 multiplied by 10 power minus 3 steradian. Steradian will be cancelled and area A1 is here, area A1 is 10 power minus 3 square meter. So this square meter will be cancelled, square meter, steradian with steradian, and final answer of Q from 1 to 4 is 19.8 multiplied by 10 power minus 3 watt. So this is the radiation emitted by surface A1 and intercepted to surface A4. Now this is the complete solution of example 12.1, and for more problems please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.